I know, it can be so hard, but let me give it to you straight. This is going to be my quickest and most concise explanation on how to do color analysis using TikTok. The first step is to figure out your undertones. For color analysis, there's only two options, yellow or pink. Don't go straight to your face, actually go to your arm and your hand. This is a slightly more obvious way to find your undertones. On your face, you might have hyperpigmentation, acne, freckles, a lot of different things that can happen on your face that might skew the color analysis for you. Here, I feel like you guys can pretty clearly see that I have pink undertones, especially on my fingertips. If you have pink undertones, you're either a winter or a summer, and if you have yellow undertones, you're either a spring or an autumn. You can also double check this by checking with hopefully larger pieces of jewelry. If you have pink undertones, that means you look best in silver, and if you have yellow undertones, that means you look best in gold. Now, what best means just means that it makes your face the brightest. Usually you would have larger pieces of jewelry to hopefully compare your face to, but if you hold silver up to your face should be more noticeable than the silver if silver looks best on you. While with gold, I feel like I notice the gold more against my skin than I notice my skin itself. Moving on, I want you to open this filter, and I'm going to tell you the exact way to tell which season you're in. If you have a pink undertone, I want you to either use the red or the pink. Because we already have pink undertones, it's easier to see which skin tone looks brightest and which one looks more flushed and sickly. So for all my pink undertone people, only look at the winter and the summer. Clearly, you can see here that my skin looks much more bright and noticeable with the winter, and same in this fuchsia pink. Obviously, if I looked better in summer, then I'm a summer, but I look best in winter, that makes me a winter. Now for my yellow undertone people, I want you to only focus on the yellow and the orange. If you're a spring, you'll usually look best in this butter yellow compared to everyone else. And if your face looks brightest in that compared to the autumn option, then you're likely a spring. And if your face looks more noticeable and brighter in the autumn, you're likely an autumn. Same goes for this orange. I feel like autumns will always look good in this autumnal color that's provided here. The last step is to figure out which of the 3 palette options within that season is right for you. This can be more challenging, and it has to do with your contrast within your skin tone, hair, eye color, and it's slightly more of a science, but I'll make another video explaining how to do that yourself. Feel free to comment if that helped or if it left you still confused. I'm always here to help, so I hope that did help.